Okay, so this video is going to review the theory and law Venn diagram. So on your notebook paper, you would draw two circles that overlap, and one is going to be dedicated to describing theory, and the other is going to be dedicated to describing law. In the middle, where they overlap, is where you're going to put things that they have in common. So for theory, okay, a theory is an explanation. It's going to explain something in science. Okay, it is well tested. That means that it has been experimented over and over and over again. And because it is well tested, it has a ton, and I say a ton just as in a lot, of evidence to support it. Okay, and a theory can change with new evidence. So if you have a theory and someone does a new experiment and they have something else to add to it, a theory can change. Okay, it's all supported by evidence. It's going to explain something in science. It's well tested. It's not just something that someone just said one time. It's been tested. Okay, so a law is more of a statement. Okay, it occurs in the natural world. So it's not set up by anyone. It just happens naturally. And it is something that has certain conditions. So an object that is in motion will remain in motion until acted upon an unbalanced force. Okay, so you have certain conditions that scientific law would have to be under for that to happen. Okay, and this does not change. So a law cannot lose its title and become a theory. Okay, they don't change back and forth into each other. It's not a cycle. It's either a scientific law, and so it's more of a natural thing that happens. So usually the laws have stuff to do with like gravity or some kind of force, and it has certain conditions, and it's not going to change. Okay, both of them are testable, and they both come with observations. Alright, so here we have the difference between a theory and a law, and then in the middle, okay, they're both testable, they're both observations in science. How about we add that? Okay?